Good morning, children. Already video class 5 we completed exponents and powers, example sums and different models, and this is exercise 4.1. In this also, in the last video completed 3 Romans, and this is the fourth Roman. I will explain now. Simplify and give reasons. Here fourth one is simplify and give reasons. First one is 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Let us see here. Any number to the power 0 is 1 only. A power 0 is 1. So like that we can write for 4 power 0 means 1 only, plus 5 power minus 1 means a power minus 1, how much you have write here? A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Here negative power and come to the denominator become positive power. So you can write it as 1 by 5 into 5 square means again 25 into 1 by 3. Now you can write it as here 5 as denominator, LCM. Here 1 goes in 5 times, so 5 into 1 5, plus again 5 goes in 5 1 time, 1 into 1 1 into 25 by 3. 5 plus 1 6 by 5 into 25 by 3. Now cancel means here 5 times cancel, 3 2 times cancel, so 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So answer is 10. This simplify and give reasons. In this first sum, answer is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Here a power minus n means you have to use here 1 by a power n. That application only is there. Otherwise you can write a power 0 is equal to 1. Here a not equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0. Next, I will continue next sum. Next one is, I will explain now third sum. I will explain now. What third sum means: 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. What this meaning? 2 power minus 1 means already in the previous sum a power minus n means 1 by a power n. You know this one. Like that you can write as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here negative power when come to the denominator become a positive power into 3 by 4. Again you can write as 2, 3 and 4 LCM. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Again 3 and 4 are both are co-primes, so 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So LCM here 12 only. So 2 in 12 how many times cancel? 6 times. 6 into 1 6. Again 3 how many times? 4 times. 4 into 1 4 plus. Again 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 1 3 into 3 by 4. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. Now here 3 ones and 3 fours. So finally 13 into 1 13 by 4 into 4 16. So answer is here 13 by 16. Final answer is 13 by 16. Now let us see fourth sum little bit different. What is that fourth sum? Fourth sum. What they given here? 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. What is that meaning? Again you have to apply a power m by a power n. Here no power means 1 only. Otherwise you have to take the denominator to the power, negative power become here positive power. So you can apply like that 1 by 3 power 1 into, you can write it as 1 by 3 square into, what is meaning 3 power 0 means anything power 0, 1 only, minus 3 power minus 1 means again 1 by 3. So again you can write as 1 by 3 into 3 square, 3 into here 1, 1 plus 2, base are equal to power should be add. Here LCM is 3. Again you can write as 3 minus 1. So you can write as 1 by 3 cube into 2 by 3. You can write it as 1 into 2, 2 by 27 into 3. How much? 2 by 81. 2 by 81. So this is the final answer. What we have to use here means 3 power minus 1 already what is here used, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Like that 3 power minus 2 when come to the denominator becomes a positive power. Now next sum, I mean here sixth sum I want to explain now. Sixth sum. Here, what they given? Sixth sum, 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 power 2. What is meaning here again here? A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Like that, you can use 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 2. That means 3 by 2 whole power minus 4. So, when you write in the reciprocal, that means a by b whole power minus m means you can write as b by a whole power m. When it is reciprocal, here negative power become positive power. That means 2 by 3 whole power 4. Again you can simplify. How can you simplify? A by b whole power m means a power m by b power m. So 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 should multiply 4 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 16. 3 power 4 means 3 should multiply 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 81. So final answer is 16 by 81. Like that, we completed that Roman. Now let us see next Roman. Now, fifth one, simplify and give reasons. Same heading is given, simplify and give reasons. In that, first sum is 3 power 2 minus 2 power 2 divided by 1 by 5 whole power 2. What is this meaning? Again, 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means 9. 2 power 2 means 4. Divided by 1 by 5 whole power 2. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5 only. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5 divided by symbol 1 by 5 power 2. That means 5 into when you keep here, it is reciprocal, become 5 by 1 power 2. That means you can write as 25 power 2. That means 25 into 25 is equal to 625. So everyone understand? Here when you keep here instead of 4 divided by into, it means that 1 by 5 reciprocal 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means again 5 only. 5 into 5, 25. 25 square means 25 in 25, 625. Like that. Uh, Here another sum is there. What the small sum given? What here? Again you can do 5 power 2 whole power 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Here a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. You have to use that only. Here 5 power 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Again here bases are equal. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That means 5 power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 power 6. 5 power 6 plus 4 means you can write as 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 6. You can write as 5 power 10 minus 6. How much? 5 power 4. What is answer? 5 power 4. Again 5 power 4 means you can write it as 625. Successfully completed up to 5 Romans now. Now let us see 6th Roman. 6th Roman, little bit different is there. I'll explain. Now 6th Roman, find the value of n. Find the value of n in each of the following. In that means 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n plus 2. Here n minus 2 given. So when you observe clearly, here base is 2 by 3, here also base is 2 by 3. A power m into a power n means a power m plus n. Like that, 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. What is this meaning? 2 by 3 whole power 8 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Here you have to write what you have to applied. You have to write a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here also very important formula. If a power m is equal to a power b power n, if and only if m is equal to n. Like that. Here both are here whenever equal bases, so you have to write m is equal to n. So here base are equal, powers also must be equal. When base are equal, powers also must be equal. So like that 8 is equal, n minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to n minus 2 or n minus 2 is equal to 8 as same. So n is equal to 8 plus 2. That means n is equal to 10. What is the value of n here? 10. Now I will continue next sum. I will continue the same model given. Now I will in this Roman only. Third sum I will explain now. I want to explain third sum. I am rubbing this. What is the next sum given? What next sum? Here third sum given like this. 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 cube. Very easy sum, easy model. You can write as 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 cube. That means 7 power 2n plus 1 by, you can write as 7 power 2 is equal to 7 power 3. 49 means you can write as 7 to 7 means 7 square. Again you can when you cross product here no denominator means 1. When you cross product here 7 power 2n plus 1 into 1 means again you can write as 7 power 2n plus 1 is equal to 7 power 2 into 7 power 3. Here when base are equal, power should be add. That means 7 power 2n plus 1 is equal to 7 power 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. In the next step, again, in the previously what happened, the same sense you have to apply here. When base are equal, power should be made equal here. So, 2 power n plus 1 is equal to 5. So, 2n is equal to 5 minus 1. Therefore, 2n is equal to 4. When 2 is multiplying, when comes this side, it is divided. Therefore, n is equal to 2. Very easy sum and very important this one. So many times asked in the public examination. Here divided by means here 49. It is 7 cube. If 49 means you can write as 7 square. 7 square into 7. I mean here cross product 7 cube. I mean base or power should be add. 7 power 2 power n plus 1 equal 7 power 5. So 2n plus 1 is equal to 5. Here plus 1 become minus 1. Again 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 2n is equal to 4. Therefore n is equal to 4 by 2 means 2. Final answer n is equal to 2. Now let us see 7th sum. Only one sum given in the 7th Roman. Only one sum given. Only one sum given. What is that means? What is that? Here 7th sum. Find x if 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. What is this meaning? What is this meaning? 2 power minus 3. That means 2 power minus 3 is equal to, you can write as 2 power minus x. Again, when bases are equal, power must be equal. When bases are equal, exponent must be equal. Exponents must be equal. That means minus 3 is equal to minus x. Minus minus cancel, therefore x is equal to 3. What is the answer? X is equal to 3. Now, again I want to simplify 8th sum. Again simplify given. I want to rub this 8th sum given like this. 8th sum. Again 8th sum, simplify 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. Again here, in the previously what happened, a by b whole power minus n means you can write as d by a whole power n. It is already formula. Here negative power is there, you can write as positive power. So already this model given example. Here that is 4 by 3 whole power 2 divided by again 5 by 4 whole power 3 into, we can write as 5 by 3 whole power 2. Again you can write as 4 square by 3 square divided by, again here 5 cube by 4 cube into 5 square by 3 square. That means here a by a power m by b power m means you can write as a by b whole power m. Here formula is there. Here a by b whole power m is equal to, you can write as a power m by b power m. So in that sense here, 4, I mean you can write as 4 square by 3 square. When you write here into, this reciprocal must be right. That means 4 cube by 5 cube. You can open this bracket and keep here into, because it is into. It is also into 5 square by 3 square. Now uh, here what is 4 power 2 is there, so 4 power 3 is there. You can write as 4 power 2 plus 3. When base are equal, powers must be added. Again here 5 power you can write as again 3 power 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Now again 1 by 5 power 3 minus 2. Here positive power, because it is less number, you can subtract in denominator, means you get only positive only. So 3 minus 2, 1. So you can write it as 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 1 by 5 power 1. That means 4 power 5. Answer is 4 power 5. 4 power 5 means 4 fourths, 16, 256. You can write, you can multiply and you can write, otherwise simply you can leave like that also, no problem. So final answer 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 5. That's all. So it is very little bit complicated. So much simplification is there. So you have to do carefully when exponents and powers when you are doing. This is very useful for higher classes. So you need to practice more. So many sums are from higher standard. It is from this chapter, based on this chapter, so many application is there. Now ninth sum I will do now. Ninth sum. Now it is different model. Here if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the value of what is here? First sum 9m square minus 10n cube. So you have to substitute in the place of m 3, in the place of n 2. That means 9 into m means 3 square minus 10 into n means 2 cube. So 9 into 3 square means 9 minus 10 into 2 cube means 81 minus 80. Answer is 1 only. Now in this second sum 2m square n square. Next you have to do solution. 2 into m means 3 square, n means 2 square. Finally 2 into 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4, 2 9s are 18. Otherwise 2 into 4 8, 9 into 8 72. 2 into 9 18, 18 4s 72. Otherwise 2 into 4 8, 8 into 9 also you can do, no problem. So outsum given like this, little bit different is there. 2m cube plus 3m square minus 5m square n. What is this meaning? 2 into m means what? M means 3 cube, plus 3 into n means what? 2 square, minus 5 m means 3 square, n means 2. 2 into 3 cube means 27, plus 3 into 2 square means 4, minus 5 into 9 into 2. That means 2 into 27, 54, 3 into 4, 12, 5 2s are 10, 10 9s are 90. That means 2 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 1 also 6, minus 90. Here small number minus big number, definitely this answer symbol is minus only. Both you have to minus. Here 10 minus 6, 4. Here 8. 8 left here. 8 minus 6, 2 only. So answer is minus 24. So in this Roman last sum is there. This Roman last sum. Fourth in this m power n minus n power m. What is meaning? What is the m here? M is what? 3. N means 2 minus. Again m means 2. M means 3. That means 9 minus 8. How much? 1 only. This type of model also in the exam will be get. Next. Last sum is there in this axis. Last sum is there. What is the last sum in this axis? Let us see. Simplify and give reasons given. Simplify and give reasons. What is given here? 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. Here, when you write here negative power to the positive power, you can write as, already know, a by b whole power minus n means you can write as b by a whole power n. So, like that, you can change any one of them enough. That means 4 by 7 whole power 5 you can keep, but into here 4 by 7 whole power 7. Whole power 7. Here whole is 7. So here base are equal, power should be subtract. That means 4 by 7 whole power 7 minus 5. That means 4 by 7 whole power 2. That means you can write as 4 square by 7 square. That means 16 by 49. 16 by 49. So like that we completed successfully the exercise also. In the next exercise, next exercise I will complete what is before starting that exercise. You have to know, before starting that exercise you have to know standard form or scientific notation of the numbers. This standard form or scientific notation means every very big number, that means greater than 1 or the number lies between 0 and 1. You can children, you have to complete next what is there, next you have to complete the next session, next video. Thank you very much children.